Okay, vamos a ver si ahora sí estoy en vivo. Let's see if I am live now. What? Reminder? Scheduled for 6:16. Okay, that's now. Okay, now I'm live. Alright. So now the question I have is, how fast is this? Okay, let's test. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Reminder. Scheduled for 6:16. Okay, that's now. Okay, now I'm live. Alright. So now the question I have is, how fast is this? Wow, this is like 30 seconds delay. Alright, John, when you hear this, write something in chat. Wow. So it took 38 seconds since I said it until I saw your message in chat. I don't know how much it took for you to actually see it and then write it, and then how long it took for that message to actually be shown on the chat. But that is an insane amount of time. That is just too much time. Why? Why is it working like that? Like that doesn't seem normal. Maybe is it because of the server that I'm using? Is it because my channel is smaller? I don't know. But the important part is that it's working. That's the important part. Now it's a matter of recording a new video. And for that, let's just get our poster girl. Let's just close all of this. Let's just refresh. Wait a second, why is the chat not working? The chat is not working anymore. Do you see that? My chat is not refreshing. Maybe 2 seconds delay max between when you said chat and I sent it. I see. Wait, I don't have the character here. Let me put her on screen. Okay, so now this character that you're seeing is the widget on OBS. It's not the on the overlay editor. So okay, try. Wait, I don't know if I am edit. No, wait, this is a new copy. This is not the same character actually. This is a new copy. Let me add. Let me add source. This is gonna be BB Hood. And BB Hood is gonna have this URL. It's gonna have 1920 by 1080. And there we go. Do you see that? Do you see that? She's doing all the commands that you did. I knew it. Chat is work. Look at the say a number 1 to 9 was the last from stream. Yeah. Yeah, it's not the best. and I don't blame the Stream Elements for this. I think I'm gonna refresh the chat. I'm gonna refresh the chat. I believe that this is just how YouTube There we go. Do you see that? Your last message, look at the say a number 1 to 9. Okay, yeah, now it's refreshing. Yeah. And then the yeah, something is it's not quite right. So this is a limitation between YouTube and what it has available, right? So their third-party integration is a pain. It's a pain in the ass. So I really hope that I know that the people managing YouTube gaming, they are very proactive and they are always looking for improvements. This is a major area of improvement for me. The delay in chat and the delay in chat for third-party integrations, that is really bad right now. Reload all of the PP widgets and it will do the dance. Okay, give me a second. I'm gonna take out the one that should not be here. This one. Okay, so the one that you are seeing right now is the one that is the new version, basically. The one this one that we have right here. And I'm gonna start modifying her to be BB Hood. So, interestingly, the PP widget always has female characters. So I think that's a mistake. Like the PP widget should have male characters by definition, right? Okay, so let's start and changing the characters and animations. First animation, switch, change image. Wait, this is the perfect opportunity to actually record the whole thing, right? So give me a moment. How is the music? How is the music for you? This is the perfect opportunity to actually configure the whole thing. All right. Wait, what? Huh? Haha, personal pets can be any gender. Yeah, but the PP? Oh, wait, I know what you mean. Hey. Yeah, you're right. Any gender can have PP. That's yeah, that's true. I mean, any PP can have the PP can have any gender. What did I say? All right. So, interestingly, I realize now that I can actually just do this to make it easier for people to know which version is what, right? For example, version 4, the PP4 has Felicia and Morrigan. Version 5 is gonna have BB Hood, and I think that's a very helpful visual cue to allow people to understand the differences between the versions. So yeah, now this is gonna be BB Hood. I'm gonna keep this here for now. All right, so I'm gonna leave this place and I'm gonna start recording. Okay. I have to do some push-ups to look better on camera. By the way, how is the light? Let's see. More light. No, that's a bit. That's too much. Is that good? What the hell is going on? What? Oh wait, yeah, it's because I set the character as hidden, but it's still actually working. Okay, so now it's disabled. And I mean, I'm gonna have to at some point I'm gonna have to pull OBS and show how it's done anyways. So I'm gonna put this here. I need to make it smaller so it's gonna fit the screen. There we go. Like that. Camera maybe down. What do you mean? Oh, to move my thingy. Yeah, I'm gonna get myself out of the way so people can see the options. Yeah. And in the corner and hide the download bar. Download bar? Is it visible? Oh yeah, it is visible right now. There we go. Let's move the camera. My brand new and very expensive camera that I just purchased that almost killed my wallet. But I love it. I really love it. It looks so good. Flip horizontal. There we go. I'm gonna make myself very grand because that's how my ego is. And I think that's gonna be good enough. Yeah. What do you think? Good? I mean, everything is gonna be in the middle or on the left, right? You cover half the options, yes. Yeah. Alright, so maybe like this. That's better. Turn off the scroll chat? No, why? I want you to be part of the experience. No, you're right. It shouldn't be there. Let me just take the chat out. Alright, we're good to go. Okay, let me just lower the music for me, not for you. Let me think. Recording. Hello everyone, I am Rene Chiquete and today I bring you the PP 5 inches or 5.0 depending how you want to call it. Last time that I updated the widget was a little bit ago, and I decided that there were a couple of things that deserve an improvement, and also I found a couple of bugs that I know have been annoying, so I wanted to push this. And that's a sound cue that I use for editing. So I wanted to push a new version of the widget, and I also added one new thing that I'm sure is gonna get the YouTube people excited. So let's give it a look. Now, before I go into the improvements and bug fixes, I'm gonna go really quickly over what the widget is and how to use it. If you are already familiar with the PP widget and you just want to see what's new, just go to this timestamp and... Oh, I messed that up. Now, before going to the new features and bug fixes, fuck. This is the difficult part. When I'm thinking on what to say, it gets really difficult. All right, here we go again. Now, before we move into the damn it. Before we go into the new features and bugs, I'm gonna be talking about what the widget is and how to use it for those who are new, and then we're gonna move to the rest of the things. If you are already familiar with the widget, you can go to this timestamp and you're gonna be able to see everything that is new and the bug fixes, and most likely you will be able to get the new information. Migrated the new information. No, it's the old information. Oh yeah, by the way. Yeah, I need notes, but I'm very stubborn, and I refuse to make a script. yeah. But by the way, do you know, John, if it's possible to? What happens? This is a question I have. What happens? Let's say that they already have this loaded up. If you go here and go here and then copy all this thing and then go to a new version of the widget, if you go and replace this with the data that you copied, that effectively migrates everything, right? Migrates all your settings. Yeah, I see URLs and all that. But then what happens if let's say you are migrating a field that doesn't really exist? Do you think it's gonna break something? Or it's just going to be data that point to something that nobody accesses? That's an interesting question, huh? Oh, Felicia, shut up. It will update all of the old settings, and any new settings are the default. I see. Okay, good to know. So yeah, that's gonna be a good way for any users to migrate to the new widget. So I'm gonna recommend that as well in the video. All right, so where was I? Oh yeah, okay, let's go. So before we move on to see what's new and the bug fixes, I'm going to be talking about what this widget is and what is it for, how to use it, how to configure it for everyone that is new to it. And then we're going to go into the improvements. Oh shit! I cannot record the video yet. I need to update the image. Do you remember how to update the image? Damn it! Let me just go to the let me just go to let's see, pin comments. Oh, image. Image, that's what I'm searching for. Is there a way to get the chat image profile? No. Oh, I remember LX shared that a long time ago. He shared the steps, and I don't remember exactly how. Okay, what channel? Code Gurus. Channel? I don't remember how to filter first per channel. Damn it. From. Okay, from mention has before in channel. Image in channel. Code Gurus. I think it was in the Code Gurus. No. I remember that you had to copy and paste something in the console, but I don't remember exactly what. I mean, I was able to do it. Like, that's how I did this one last time. And I did make it work, but I didn't know how to... I forgot how to do it. I lost the procedure. You can get the icon from the guilds. Oh yeah, and we know that it's LX's message, right? So, from LX. Wait, is it LX or is it IX? I don't know. No results from LX. IX. Wait, did he change his name? No, he's there. It is LX. Edit. Change. No, the name is not working. Change image. Thumbnail, that's the keyword. Thumbnail. I remember that I asked him and he told me. Okay. Okay, I found where I asked, because I remember I asked him, hey, how did this guy, here it is. I remember I asked him, how did this guy manage to do that? And yeah, for some reason it doesn't show up if you do user and you do LX, it doesn't accept it. LX. So I don't know what's going on here. But yeah, so it's here, and this guy I sell, and it should be somewhere here. I remember he shared the procedure and it was very bizarre. No, no, no. Come on, where are you? Where are you? No, nation. I believe he shared a video or something like that. I don't know. No. I found some suggestions. I found some of your suggestions for code. Thank you very much, John. What else? Where is it? Where is it? No. No, no, no. I'm going to... No, this is too old now. No. It should be a new one. Okay, for the PP 3.0, I gave him the image. I didn't do it myself. No, this is too new. Damn it! Oh, you found it? Share, share, share. Yeah, because I don't see it. No, no, no. Where is it? I cannot find it. Oh, you put it on Discord. Okay, thanks. Okay, Linkception. Wait a second, it was me who posted the thing? Oh my god. So I was the one who pointed to it, and now you are pointing me to myself, pointing to LX's link. Okay, that works. Okay, so let's see. Wait a second, but now we are in another conundrum, because now we need to make the new image. Oh boy, here we go. You see, it's all a chain. You can't get away with it. Oh wow, did you see that? Whoa, what's going on with my oh wait, maybe I should stop recording. I've been recording for like an hour and I forgot that I was doing it. But I don't understand why I drop frames for YouTube specifically. Because I don't drop frames for Twitch. And I'm getting rendering lag. Why? Let's put a giant 5. I also need to change the character that is in the thumbnail. So you see the characters that are there? I need to change them. So look at that. What's going on with my computer? Maybe I have a Windows update. You know, they are always there, waiting. Or maybe it was the NVIDIA broadcasting thing just killing my graphics card. Because that's what it does. Okay, so let me see if I have Devotion, RoboQuest. Nope, that was a long time ago. Let me see if I can remember where I have the other ones. What? No. What is that? Network location? No, thank you. Resources, reactions, YouTube, boxing, SMB7, Quest 2, green screen. No, it's not here. Where's the PP? Where's the PP? No. No. It's not there. Maybe it's gonna be here. I have no idea where I got things anymore. YouTube? No. PP? No. Okay. Oh, wait. So, resources. Resources, media, YouTube, maybe? I don't know. No. God damn it. Yeah, I believe I thought I had it here. I'm gonna have to make it from scratch, and I have no idea what font I use. No. Okay, YouTube. Yeah, it's not even here anymore. Twitch, profile, Prompty, OBS. Yeah, there's nothing. It's not here anymore. So I'm sure that I migrated that thing somewhere else. Yeah, I migrated this as well. So for sure it's somewhere else. Okay, time to search. How about here? The PP. Oh, there we go. Well, no, that's the video edit. Do you have your code saved? What do you mean the code save? I mean, I have this here, and I have the one that is on Stream Elements. Or are you talking about the like stored in GitHub or something like that? Oh, okay. I just read your message. I believe I do. Let me see what was the last version that I uploaded. GitHub. Login. Sign in, pardon. Let me see what I have. Lobin. It's what I got. Do you remember that? Lobin. Okay, the PP. I think I only uploaded the first version. Yeah, I haven't uploaded the version 2, 3, and 4. So yeah, it might be a good moment to do it. You lost PP4? No, I mean it's not lost because I have the like every time I do a new version, I copy the last version that I did and I start to work on that, and I just keep the original one. So for example, if I go here to the Twitch account, go back. So this is the Twitch account on Stream Elements, and then I have this one that says work in progress. Well, these two that says work in progress are actually version 4 with a couple of changes, and then the link that we got for installation right now for PP4 is the one that Stream Elements and my one-click installer give right now. So I can just get it with one click if I want to upload it. Now version 3 is still right here. Well, this was version 4 already, but with the update and so on and so on. Nope. No, thank you. I don't want any DMCA problems. Okay, so I forgot where I was with. Oh yes, image. All right, I think I found it. So the PP. This is empty. Oh, now it's gonna do the search again. Damn it. Now this was a problem that arose. You could try to right click, image, save, then black out the character. No, that's too cheap. I need to do it from scratch. I mean, well, I mean, it's not like it's too complicated, right? It's just the letters, really. But I want to keep the entire thing. I just want to change the number and to change the characters. I guess I could just cut out the thing. Yeah, I guess I could just cut out the things that I don't want and try to get the font again. But that's too annoying. I want to do it right. Okay, so I see a bunch of things. Let's open this one. Open a new window. This is empty. Wait, these are temporary files. That's why it's not showing me anything. God damn it. Okay, here. I already came here and it was definitely not there. Now these are the PP and the images. Okay, so if it's where all the images are, it's going to be in media. Yeah, I remember now. So it's here, resources, media, PP. Or maybe YouTube, something like that. Damn it. Vector Hellblade. Oh damn it, it's not here. I mean, I thought it was going to be there, but no. True, and doing it will be twice as faster and look 10 times better. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna. I mean, let's take this opportunity to revamp. Let's take this opportunity to revamp the image of the PP. So a brighter PP, a stronger PP. Let's just start from scratch. First of all, the ratio has to still be 19. I mean, it's a bit large, so I need to take care of that. 16:9, black lines on top and bottom, so it will fit. Because of the you see, it's a bit lost here. So what happens if I do this and I inspect? What is the size of this thing? Because this is the full image, I believe. Yeah, this is the full image, actually. I don't think Felicia is right here to dance right now. So this, I'm gonna use this as a template. Wait, what? Why is it not taking my clipboard? Normally it will show what I have in the clipboard right here. Huh? Unless I didn't copy the image? What the hell? What the hell is going on? Okay, new. Okay, now it actually took it correctly. There we go. And now, time to do some magic. God damn it! There we go, done. And inspect, scroll down to see the container size. And you're 30 seconds behind. No, don't worry. No, it's just that it seems that it didn't really copy the image. Now there is something wrong with my browser. I'm not sure if it's this thing or something, but I can see that it keeps jumping. So maybe there's something like that is trying to modify the HTML, which I guess it's that thing. Now here, I got a good opportunity here for this. I'm going to take this and this, and I'm going to do a replace. Well, I guess I can just do a Control U, and so this one is gonna be red. Wait, where's the red? Red. Why red? Because of Red Riding Hood, of course. And now we just get the girl. Get the girl. Now I can get one of these images, or I can get another image. see. Oh, but these don't have the. I mean, this is pretty cool. No, but I need something with a transparent background. So let's come here to the last pages. Okay. Now, oh, what the hell? Okay, I need an image that can be used for this. Now I already have a bunch of images, but they are GIF. I don't know which frame is gonna be shown on these things. Let's see. I mean, why not? Yeah, these PS skills are amazing. I mean, that's one software I wish I learned more of 50 years ago. I haven't learned much from anywhere other than doing test and test and test. So it is the kind of thing that you can get pretty good at via practice. So yeah, I mean you can pick it up really quickly. I use like 3 or 4 skills for Photoshop, and that's pretty much it. I'm not very versatile with it. Now, version is going to be 5, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the entire thing. I'm gonna move it a little bit below to give it a little bit more space. So wait, there we go. Whoa, that's not what I wanted to do. What happened with my... What are all the windows? Why am I losing frames? What is going on here? Something very weird happened with my Photoshop because it just lost everything, like all windows. View, window, and we want the layers. We want the toolbox. Tool presets, tools. I mean that's pretty much all I need. So let's just get this, and let's move it down. And now let's take it down. Like that. That's gonna be good enough. And now we just need to center this thing. It should be pretty easy. Damn it! This, Ctrl T. Why am I not able to resize this thing? Don't get it. Ctrl T. Control. Oh, I see why. Ctrl T. There we go. And now number 5 in big bold letters. All right. Let's get some text editing here. Text. This has to be big, bold. Okay, maybe a bit exaggerated. 5 inches. 5.0 inches. I don't remember how I was doing it. Let's see. No. No. Too many windows. Yeah, let me close this. Let me close this. This is the one. Okay, 4.0. I guess I can just... I mean, I am not really releasing incrementals of less than that, so I'm just gonna do it 5 inches. And it's time to increase the number. Let's do a different... Where is my... What? What is the text thingy? Window... Text... Options... Okay, the options are up there. That's what I was missing as well. Impact. Nope. Nope. think this Great Lakes, I think, yeah, this is the font that I've been using. It's a nice font. No, 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 no. It's something punchy, something good, something powerful. This kind of goes along with it. Unispace. Yeah, this kind of fits, actually. Unispace. Yeah, not really increments. It's more of a PP 2021. Actually, that's not a bad idea. Like PP 2021. Like one, if I can commit to release, to make a yearly release. No, but the problem is that the joke is that it's in inches, right? So yeah, I messed that up. Maybe I will do the awesome shout out 2021. That maybe, or 2022 actually. The awesome shout out might be a good one to do 2022 edition, because I really don't release that many versions of that one. So let's now settle on where. Oh, look at that! I like how it fits here. For some reason, I like how it fits. There, kind of. I like there. Be like this. So there's gonna be like some. Yeah, I'm just drawing lines in my mind to make it make sense with anything. All right, now the color. The color is gonna be an interesting choice. Centimeters. Let's see. I can do color, but I can leave it in white. Gotta say, I love this idea. Shame it doesn't work for YouTube streams, but I fully understand the YouTube API is a whole different beast compared to Twitch. Yeah. By the way, welcome to the stream, NXN Gaming. Oh, those phones, Tetris, fit very nice together. So okay, so now that we finally finished the support for YouTube, yeah, now we are now about to do the YouTube tutorial for version 5.0 or 5 inches. And yeah, which idea exactly? I mean, NXN Gaming, what we're doing right now is we are preparing the marketing material for the version 5, which right now already works on YouTube. That's what we were doing for the past 3-4 hours today. Let me show you. So this is my YouTube account, and that's why I'm live on YouTube right now. So we come here. I'm sorry for your eyes. And well, let me just configure this so anyone can do it. Do no restrictions. Wait, what? Oh yeah. Well, yeah. It's because it's getting all the messages since the last time that it read the messages, which is kind of weird. Okay, so that's it. And okay, so right now it's working. No restrictions. So you see, okay, for example, you see the John just added a message and the character just say hi. Now he just did a walk and the character is walking. There we go. Now it is saying sub because that's the text that I have indicated here. Settings. Oh wait, it's because I have selected the wrong thing. There we go. So you see in the animations, there is a text, and the text is subbed, because this is supposed to be, the dance is supposed to be for a subscriber. I mean, that's a good point. Maybe I should indicate that when the command is run manually, it should not say the text. Let me think about that. I mean, I guess that the best thing will be to have a checkbox for the user to select if they want the animation, sorry, the text to be included when the command is done manually. That would be the maximum flexibility. And that would be another layer of things. It's an idea that I'm gonna add to the list. So backlog. This is gonna be allow deciding if the text will be shown when the command is triggered manually. All right, so right now what I'm doing is making the image for the widget 5.0, and we're going live. Hi, yeah, we did it today. Like I realized that I've been slacking for too long, so it's it's a good moment to actually get it out now that it's a weekend. It's a low time in like downtime on my work. So let's do this. Let's get it to be extra bold. Can we do that? No, that's all. Smooth, strong. Whoa, wow, so strong. Okay. So now, what color are we gonna use for this? We have a white and red. I could use the colors from Stream Elements, like this yellow here, this bright yellow, or this blue, or I can use white and just give it an outline. Let's see how that looks. Outer glow. Let's get this like this. Precise. We're gonna get it. Size is gonna be very small. It's gonna have almost no spread. We're gonna change the color to red, because red is the theme. Okay, we have a problem here. There's something that doesn't work, and I don't know what it is. Like something doesn't quite work with the style. Maybe yellow? Oh no, that looks really bad. Green. Blue doesn't look that bad actually. What if we get this blue? That looks good, but it's not punchy enough, right? What about the yellow? Oh no, the yellow doesn't look very good. The blue though. How does it look in small? That's kind of how it's gonna be on. Yeah, it's not very punchy, right? Yeah, yellow bad. Yeah, I think that I mean red looks good. I like it. But who doesn't like red, right? I mean, maybe keeping it simple, just like that. Now, NXN Gaming, I believe he asked me about this a long time ago, And I told him, oh yeah, I have a new version. I'm gonna get it done soon. And yeah, that was like a year ago. Sorry about that. Lot of red. I don't know. That's fine. That's fine. That's good. You can tell that it's a PP widget. You can tell that it's the 5 inches version. It's good. And calling it close for getting it done this year. Oh shoot, yeah. Yeah, it's a good thing that I made it just this year. So let's save this thing. Let's save this thing. And save as. Now I need to follow my format. My format for where I'm saving stuff. Resources, animations, YouTube. This is gonna be for the René Chiquete channel. And this is gonna be the PP5. Then we're gonna save it as a PNG. Well, actually JPEG. Go. Now that it's there, now we are going to do some magic to update the image in my widget, which is here. And for that, I'm gonna follow some secret tricks. Let me just verify that because I don't remember how to do it. Okay, I see. I'm just following that thingy. Okay, so he edits the overlay, goes to network. Okay. Oh, what the hell? Oh, okay, so properties. Is this it? Yeah, it just looks very different. Properties. Like where is this coming from? You know what? I think it doesn't work anymore because it looks very different. But it's the same. But it is the same page, right? So it's that, and then he just submits. Let's get this. Let's get to the network. I'm gonna get the size back to what it's supposed to be. Whoa, why is this so large? Whoa, what the? Okay. Oh, why you say? Okay, let's do this. Properties. Then he submits and he gets something. Okay, so I'm gonna submit. Game Yoshi? What? Okay. So submit. Okay, now I got a bunch of things. I didn't get just the one that he said. Let's see. Oh, wait. API, something. Okay, I think it's this. This is the one. Yeah, this is the one. So I get this, and then what does he do? Okay. Okay, done. Then okay, wait a second. Give me a moment, guys. Give me a moment. I'm doing some magic, some hidden magic here. Yeah, very small, but mainly do it for fun and fundraisers. Used to have a pet on Twitch, but then I switched and there was nothing available, so this has been a great Xmas present. Never occurred to me that that's a missing feature from Stream Elements, is to customize the image for the overlays in a simple way. Yeah, I mean, technically speaking, it's not a feature, it's just a hack. But yeah, we've been discussing for a long time, or asking for a long time, to get this done as a feature in the platform. But there are many other priorities by the developers, so we can't do much about it other than brute forcing our way in. And I don't even know if this is gonna work. So let's see how it goes. Oh wait, I was watching a video. Where is the video? Okay, here it is. So I need to do something here, and I don't want to show that on screen because I don't know if it's sensitive or not. Then we eliminate this. Okay. And then we replace the image. Okay, understood. Oh wait, we don't just replace the image, we do something else. Okay, understood. So first I need to upload a new image somewhere, and that somewhere is going to be the Stream Elements. The Stream Elements, where is it? We're gonna upload it to the Stream Elements cloud. So for that, I'm gonna click here. I'm just gonna open any of the image upload. Just gonna come here to any of the image. Upload. I'm gonna upload this new blah, 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 blah. Reactions, The Witcher. No. Sources, YouTube, Renechkete. This one. What am I doing? No. That's it. We upload. Yeah, the images are based on games, but there is a way for the widget makers to override it. Yep. So, okay, the widget is there, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the URL. This URL is inside. No. Where the hell is it? I don't see it. Wait, did they change this? Oh no. Wait, did they change this thing so now we cannot get the URL? Because before it was very easy to get the URL. Oh no. I think we're in trouble. I think I'm in trouble now. I mean, it's not really. I'm not in trouble. Here we go. I think this is the URL. So remember, when you go to record, that is going to auto start with those animations from chat. When you go to record, that is going to auto start. So the image has the static overlay image. Wait, what? No, wait. What I'm looking for is just the URL. I couldn't find it. There we go. This is what I needed. I just wanted to. I'm using this as a way to as a hosting for the image. Yeah, but before I saw it in a different way. That's why I was freaking out. All right, so now that we have the URL, now this is the URL that I'm gonna be putting in here. And I'll just watch the video to see where it goes. Okay, it's in the preview. Okay. The body. And the body there's something. Okay. The body. Oh wow. Okay. Well, yeah, I think it doesn't work anymore because the body now it's just null. It's just null. It doesn't show anything else. I think they changed the way that this information is handled in the new UI, and it no longer has the same information in them. Let's see, network, clean, submit. Now there are two of them. There's this, copy, let's fetch. Let me come here again. Yeah, the body is null this time. Okay, I think I found it. I found the one that is going to work. Blah, 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 preview. Okay, found it. It's going to work. It's going to work. And that's it. Okay, it's already replaced. And then after that, what do we do? Okay, that's done. And now that I have the thingy change, we copy the entire thing, I think. What? Okay, there we go. Then we copy the entire thing. Okay, so let me just get the entire thing and do an attempt to do the replace. And let's come here. Okay, he just goes to the console and just paste the entire thing. Okay, so let's go to the console. Let's just paste the entire thing. I got a promise and then there is a big error. Oh, there is a big error now. I don't think it's gonna work. And he didn't get that error. Yeah, it didn't work. Yeah, I think the problem here, I mean, I can see that there are some cross-origin policy things there, and I wonder if that is messing with everything else. Because now I get an error when I try to do it instead of just getting the thing working. No, yeah, I'm gonna have to ask for help for this. Now, if you start your recording on the overlay menu, then you open load this overlay, it's going to trigger the all walk and dance stuff. Oh yeah, it's like the messages that were there while the widget was not shown, then they're gonna get interpreted, right? Like there is something so weird about that. Okay, now, yeah, it seems that the hack is not working in the new UI. Which is sad. Did you remove the credentials line? Of course I didn't. I removed it the first time and then I rewrote the thing. Yeah, that's why it's not working. There we go. See? Hey, work! Hey, work! Nice. You left Twitch? Nope, not at all. Okay, now that is working, now I can actually use, now I can do the tutorial. Así se hacen los chismes, dice. No, que no ves lo que dice el título del stream. Estamos haciendo las pruebas para agregarle soporte a un widget para que tenga soporte para YouTube. So yeah, no, this is just we are just adding support to this widget, so it will work with YouTube. The PP 5.0. Right? Now it's time to record. Hora de grabar. Okay. All right, here we go. Hello everyone, I am Rene Chiquete and today I bring you the PP 5 inches or 5.0. The widget has gone through a few different changes and a few bug fixes. I added a few new features and I know that it's been a while since I updated it, so I thought it would be a good Christmas gift to have the new version before the end of the year. And here it is. Now, first I'm going to go through the configurations and what this widget is for before we go through the new features and bug fixes. So if you are already familiar with the widget and you just want to know what's new, just go to this timestamp. And for those who are new, just stick around. Now, no, the new assets are not there because they are going to be part of the tutorial. All right, so now, the first thing that you need to do is to click in the one-click installer that you're gonna see in this YouTube video, or you can go to the description and you can click on that, and that's gonna automatically install the widget on your Stream Elements account. Now, it's important to mention that it is very likely that the installation is gonna take the widget to your Twitch account. So what you can do is just right-click on, just click on the three dots there. You can click on duplicate, and then you can choose between all your different accounts link in Stream Elements. So for example, if you have it on Twitch, you can just search for your YouTube account, click on that and then click submit, and that's going to make a duplicate of the widget on your other account. Then you can come to your Stream Elements account, switch to the account where you actually want to go, and then you can start editing the widget. Now, what does this widget do? What it does is allow you to upload animations or videos, which then can be triggered by a command or by events on Twitch. For example, one way that this can be done, let's go and edit the overlay, is by having a character. In my case, I have a GIF of a character that is just there standing. And what you can do is that you can add many other different animations that when together and trigger, they will allow it to see like different animations. So, for example, everything that you are seeing there are different GIFs that are just being triggered in a chain. So, what we're gonna do is, first of all, let me just show you the different features that we have, and I'm gonna show you how you can upload and play around with the different animations and images to get your own pet, your own personal pet. First of all, we have the general configuration, which is everything that is not related to specifically to the images. For example, we're gonna have who can trigger the different commands for the widget. For example, we can set it so only you as the streamer can do it. We can set it so the streamer and your moderators can do it. We can set it so streamer and moderators and VIPs, and finally including also the subs, or to not have any restriction at all, and anyone can just go and write the text, the command for the animations on your chat, and it's going to work. Now, other than the general blanket restrictions, you can also add users here For example, if you have 1 or 2 friends that maybe they are not subscribers or VIPs or moderators, but you want them to be able to trigger the animations, then you can add their name here. Just be careful to not leave any space at the end or the beginning, but the idea is to separate them by commas. So for example, every name that you're gonna have can be separated by commas, and the names themselves, they can have spaces. Just don't leave a space at the beginning or at the end. Now, other than that, then you can also block specific users. So even if they meet the criteria of the general restrictions, you can block those specific users. For example, in my case, I block Stream Elements because I don't want the widget to be triggered by the same commands that Stream Elements bot is throwing at it. Then, after that, we are going to be able to configure the chat bubble that you can see when the character is saying things, because other than the animations, you can also configure text for your character to say things when that animation is triggered, which means that each animation also has link text. Now, for this, you can choose if you want the direction of the bubble to be left or right, which is just going to indicate where it's coming from. Then you can also indicate the font of the text that is going to be appearing in the bubble. Then you're going to be able to indicate how large the font, the bubble font is going to be. And then you can also include the color of the font. Then you can also manipulate the size of the bubble itself separately, as well as the, well, you can manipulate width and height separately. And then of course you can play around with the vertical position. And for example, let's say that we're going to play around with an animation. Let's say that you want to see where the bubble is going, right? So let's come here and let's change. For example, let's change this to original surfer. And then let's just search the position to the right, and then you can just trigger your character to say something by just indicating anything in chat. Now, if you are using this on YouTube, there's going to be a little delay, but eventually you're going to see the bubble. Now, you see that the bubble moved because I was pushing it to the right. So this is the bubble vertical position, which means up and down, and then you have the bubble horizontal position, which is left and right. So if you push it to the left a little bit, and then you push it to the left here as well, the left means up and the right means down, of course. So I'm going to push it a little bit to the right, and then I'm going to do it again. Just write any message. Oh, well, this is taking a long time. Let me just force it. Oh, there we go. So now, as you can see, you can play around with the position, because also the widget doesn't really know how large is the character that you have shown on the image right now. The widget knows that you have an image there, but it doesn't know, it cannot auto-detect the face if there is a face in the image. So it's up to you to play around and decide where the bubble is going to come out. Now, as I was mentioning, the text is going to be defined on each of the animation. The widget is configured to be able to store up to 20 animations, and each animation is going to have a lot of configurations. Now, before we go on each of the different animations, let's go to the general animation configuration. What is this? This is where you can tell the widget what is going to be, or which is going to be, the default animation, the one that you are seeing all the time when the pet is not doing anything. And then you're going to be able to also select the grid animation. Now, the grid animation is the one that the pet is going to do automatically every time somebody comments for the first time during that stream, or better said, since the last time that the pet was loaded onto your browser source. More on that in a moment. Now, you can select to have a specific animation 1 to the 20, and you can select also to disable the grid animation in case you don't want your pet to automatically be greeting everyone every time. Now, in my case, I like the animation 2, which is the animation that I also have selected to be !high. And for this example, if you want this animation to be triggered, you can indicate the specific command that needs to be indicated in your chat. for this animation to be triggered on the pet. Then you can also select if you want this specific animation to be triggered with a specific Twitch event, being able to select redemptions of items on your store, a raid, a host, tips, a follower, or if you are a subscriber, or if you just don't want the animation to be triggered by an event and you just want it to be triggered by your commands, then you can select none. Then you have what's going to be the message, the chat, the text that your pet is going to be using. And here you can indicate anything you want, and you can indicate multiple messages, so your pet will randomly take one of those messages that you indicate. So for example, if 2 or 3 people come to the stream and say something, your pet can say something different to each of them, even if it's the same event. And the way to separate those texts is by using a colon. So you can just do a colon to separate all of the text. For example, I have hi, and then you see that I have the word username, and then welcome username, and then I have hey username. So every time that this specific event is triggered, it's going to choose one of these texts randomly. Now you will also see that I have the word username indicated there. That is because it's already coded that whoever is triggering the command, it's going to also be linked to the word username. So if you put username anywhere in the chat, or in the text, better said, in the widget, it's going to be replaced by the user that is triggering this animation. Now, the animation itself is just an image, or it can be a video. Whether you decide to have one or the other, it's going to work either way. The widget is always going to check first for an image, and then it's going to check for a video. In this case, images are PNGs or JPEGs or GIF, which is what I am actually using. And you can go here and select the images that you want to use, or you can upload new images. For example, let's say that I want to upload a new character entirely. And for that, let's go to the animation number 1, which is going to be my default animation. You can just select anything, but since it is my default animation, I really don't need a command for it, so I just leave it as it is. There needs to be something in it, but you don't really need to use it because it's always going to be playing. Now, this is not going to be triggered by any event, and it's not going to have any text. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change the image, and we are going to use a new character, which is, in this case, I have selected this character called Babyhood, which is from the same game as Felicia from Darkstalkers. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna upload all of these images into the Stream Elements cloud. Here, we're going to the upload section up here, and then I'm just going to drop all these images that I already have. Now we already uploaded all of these images, so now we can take each one of them to do different things. Now my standard animation, my default animation is this one, which is already nicely looped and all that. So let's just click submit, and now it got replaced. Do you see? So now we have a new default animation, but if we go and trigger any other of the animations, it's gonna give us the other character because that's what's indicated there. So what we're gonna do is we're going to add more animations to replace Felicia. So let's change it here. This is gonna be, let's say, let's choose this one, which is going to be to say hi. Then let's go to animation number 3. This is gonna be a celebration. So let's see. Yeah, this looks cool. So let's get this one. And now let's try and trigger this. So we can see that the animation number 2 is with exclamation mark hi. So I'm going to my chat now, and I'm going to write exclamation mark hi. Now you cannot see it right now, so I'm going to put it on screen right now, so you can see when I type in when I type it. Now the thing here is that there is a little bit of a delay on YouTube, but that's fine. So exclamation mark hi. Wait, somebody did it before me, or what? What happened there? Oh no, it's because the second animation is also the grid animation. So everybody that is saying something is going to also trigger the animation, because I have some people here on the stream. So I'm gonna do exclamation mark hi, and now let's just wait for YouTube to actually accept the command, and then for the command to actually reach stream elements, and then we can see that it's triggered in the animation, right? Now, we can hear that the sound is still the same as the one I had before, and that's because on each animation you control several aspects of it. You control the volume, if it's a video for example, you control the image size, you control the vertical and horizontal position, and of course the idea is that Noriega, estoy grabando un video, deja de estar detonando la animación por favor. So you can configure how long that animation is gonna be running once it's triggered. Then you can also select the audio, because you can, besides the animation or the audio that you're gonna get from the video itself, if you upload a video, you can also upload an audio file separately from that. In this case, I have this. And of course, I'm not gonna need it anymore because that is not the voice of this character. So I can just click here and eliminate it. Or if you want to upload new sounds, you can click on upload, and just like with the image, you can upload the image, and then in the sound tab, you can select all the sounds that you have uploaded. Now, and every animation here is gonna have the same features. Like every animation slot is gonna have all those features that you can configure separately. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So you can just play around. For example, if you get the same character in two different animations and one is slightly larger than the other, then you can use these sliders here, for example, to adjust the image size or the position, the vertical and horizontal position. If you get all the images with perfect alignment and size, then you don't need to do that. But if you get the images from different places and sources, then it might be useful for you to be able to play around to make it match and fit the sizes and the animation moves. For example, in this case, we have the BB Hood, and she has this specific size. But what happens if we trigger the animation again? Let's see, is it the right size or not? You can see that this animation is much larger than the default animation. So what we're going to do is we're going to fit the size. Now, how? I mean, you can do it in a few different ways. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a little guidance here. I'm gonna use this other text widget to mark where the head of Riding Hood is. And I'm going to make like an annotation of where the face of the character is. Now, a feature that I just added is that now you can select and easily switch between the animations that are the default animations and the grid animations at all times. So, for example, if you want to start adjusting and ensuring that the animations are matching in the dimensions and in the positioning, what you can do is you can come here to the animation configuration and you can say, okay, I want the animation number 2 to be the default one, so it's always going to be shown. And now you can start playing down here in animation 2. You can come down and start playing with the size. So let's make the size smaller and smaller. Now that seems better. And now we're going to move the image horizontally and down, down, down. More. Now we know that the line is right. It's right there, right? Like this I'm using this line to guide myself. So let's see. No. What I'm doing right now is once you click on this little blue bubbles or drops, once you click on that, you can use left and right to do adjustments of one unit. So I think that's good enough. That's good enough. Now let's come back here and let's switch the default animation to animation 1, and let's see if it is well dimensioned. Now the dimensions don't look too bad, but the character normally is more to the left, right? So let's see it again. Let's see if it works. It kind of works, but it's still a bit larger, right? O sea, medio funciona. So let's see where the feet of the character are. So the feet are here. The feet is here. Feet, and then we switch. So it's almost there, but it's a bit too large. So let's go back here and then we adjust again. Now, as you can tell, this is a little bit manual, but the idea is to give you all the flexibility in the world so you can decide how to accommodate or how to fit whatever characters or images or badges, or you can even use your stream logo there. You can animate it in different ways and have your stream logo doing different animations and things depending on whatever you want to achieve. All right, so now let's do it again. Let's go back to this. Yeah, I can see this working now. Let's see. I mean, that looks good. Yeah, I mean, I believe that looks kind of alright. Maybe just moving here a little bit to the left. Just a little bit to the left. Let's see how it looks. 1. Then move to the 2. Yeah, I believe that. I believe that could be a good transition. And then transitioning back to this. Now, right now you can see that it flickers because it reloads the image. But if you trigger the animation, then you will see how it actually looks. For example, hi. We wait a little bit and we should see now that the animation is triggered without blinking, seamlessly. So let's see. Yeah, look at that. That looked pretty good. All right, done. Next animation. Now I have way too many tabs here. I'm sorry because obviously I'm getting a lot of noise and a lot of interruption here from other things. But I believe that now you get the idea on how you can use the widget. Now, you can already see down here or in the background that there is a wall of text. And this wall of text is where I normally indicate the new features and bug fixes. So specifically new things in the widget in this new version 5 inches is that now it is possible to do the adjustment of the default animation and the grid animation very easily. This new way to do it is, I believe, that it's gonna allow you to play around and to fit the images much faster than how it was before. Because before you will have to make the adjustment and then go and manually trigger the command every single time. And now you can do it just with the switch of the default animation. I believe that is much more intuitive, much more, well, just quicker. Now, the second thing that I did is that now it's also possible to... Where was I? Oh yeah. Now, as I was mentioning as well, you can also select which is going to be the grid animation, because before the grid animation was fixed to the second animation in the widget, now you can just select freely which one is going to be. Or you can just disable the grid animation altogether. And the third feature that I added is that now this is working on YouTube. Actually, this version that you are seeing now is running on my YouTube account, not in my Twitch account. Now, I believe that if you use the one-click installer, you're gonna get the widget installed on your Twitch account by default, because that's how Stream Elements work. And you can then apply the trick that I told you before about taking the widget from your Twitch account, then click on duplicate in the, well, let's go here. Let's just save this. Let's go back. Let's say that you are on your Twitch account, you can just come here, click on properties, and just, oh, my bad. So once you are seeing this on your overlays, you can just click here, do duplicate, and then you're gonna see all the different channels and accounts that you have linked to your Stream Elements. And from there you can just, for example, move any overlay from Twitch to your YouTube, and then you can edit it on YouTube. And yeah, that's it. Now, something very important is that if you are already using the PP3 or 4 or any other version, you can migrate all the data that you already have by just clicking on the widget itself. Just make sure that you find the Open Editor and then click on the Data tab. Now, this tab here, you can just do Ctrl A to select everything, or just right click and just do select all, if you have the option there, and then copy that information. And then you can just come to the other widget, to the new version of the PP, open the editor, come here, select everything, delete it, and then paste the information that you copied from the other widget. And that's gonna migrate all your information. From even if it's in a different Stream Elements account, you will still be able to grab all of those animations back, so you don't have to reconfigure the entire thing. And yeah, that's gonna be it. I hope that you enjoy the PP, and if everything goes all right, I should have a few more updates. I want to add support for Facebook and Trovo in the newer versions, and if you have any ideas on how to improve it or how to add or a feature that you would like me to add, well, just let me know. The Discord, my Twitter, and you can also add just comments here on YouTube. I will be more than happy to help. Also, if you have issues with any of my widgets, you can just reach out and I'll be more than happy to help you troubleshoot. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you had a great time, and also Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, that's it. That's it, done. Ya está, ya terminamos. So I think it's a good moment to eat. Finally, the PP 5.0 is ready. Ahora sí ya está listo el PP. Okay, well, everyone that was around here today, thank you very much for stopping by. Muchas gracias por haber pasado por acá. Dice, eso no sobrecarga la memoria que usa el browser de OBS. Pues no sé a qué te refieres. O sea, el overlay está hecho para aguantar JavaScript, y pues tú le metes y le metes y le metes y le metes hasta que truene. No estoy seguro cuánto puede aguantar o cuánto no puede aguantar. En mi caso, por ejemplo, el shoutout tiene miles de líneas de código y no truena. So yeah, in regards of the flight music, yes, we have a larger PP. We have the PP 5 inches. So yeah, I'm super happy that we basically wrapped the entire thing. I just need to do the editing. I'm gonna do that later because I need to eat. I haven't eaten in all day. But I am very happy that I managed to add the support for YouTube. That was a big one for me. And fixing a couple of bugs. Oh shit, I didn't talk about the bugs. Well, I mean, that's fine. They will be able to read it in the editing anyways. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you very much for being here. John, thank you very much for helping me test. Gonzalo Noriega, gracias por visitar. Thank you very much for visiting here. Also to Christopher, who helped me test a bunch of the restrictions and things like that. And of course, John P, he helped me in a lot of things, getting code, figuring out how to make this thing work and all that. So now it's just a matter of sending the new version. Bugs are a feature. If they do something that someone can find useful, they are features, of course. And of course, I can always say that that's intended behavior. I intended for it to work like that, so I'm sorry. That's working as intended. So yeah, we're gonna finish the stream here, and yeah, I hope you have a fantastic time. Thank you very much once again. All the follows, subscription, tips, everything is appreciated. Remember to go to my Twitch channel, twitch.tv/Rene Chiquete, which I'm gonna be putting it on the screen. Do not go to the links of these weird bots that are coming every now and then. Let me just ban this guy. Hide this user, remove. Yes, remove. There we go. And if everything goes right, I'll see you in the next one.